Today, I got a special treat for you. 100 million Shiba. What is that worth in the future? And let's talk about it. Let's dive into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, today, you see the price of Shiba right now. And also, I'm sure you probably looked, here's Shiba Swap, and you're probably like, okay, the price is down on Shiba, Leash, and Bone, which to me is great opportunity. But let's break this down because Shiba is special, and the standard is 100 million Shiba, and just hodl and just hold. So I did an analysis of seeing, okay, how much will your Shiba be worth if you have 100 million and if you just hodl for every single zero that will be dropped off the price. So $750 is worth that many Shiba today, and I got it right from here. CoinGecko, excuse me, CoinGecko got it right from here, so you're seeing exactly transparent with you right now. Now this line here is where it is today. So basically, your value is up $1.61 if you invest in today's prices. You still have 5 zeros. In the market cap estimate, I got that from Coinbase. So shout out to the coinguys.org of getting a market cap calculator. And I'm using the circling supply, the current circling supply that I got from CoinMarketCap right here. So I'm just using the numbers that I know right now. So just being transparent with you. So that's what the market cap is. You see that 2.9 and you see that 2.9 right here in the market cap. So it is working. So it's in the billions. Now, if we keep moving forward and we keep doing our research, keep having those diamond hands, hodling, hodling, hodling. Absolutely. And this is what it is if you hodl for the next price movement. Let's say another zero goes off. 4 zeros, now all of a sudden that 750 is worth $7,516. It's starting to heat up a little bit. But the market cap does have to move up to around 29 billion in the market cap. So I understand all that. It does take a lot for that to happen as a whole. Bitcoin, Ethereum has to do its thing as well. Now, if you keep waiting and saying, you know what? I'm not going to sell. I'm just going to continue holding. Look at this now. You're getting to the nice price movement if it knocks off another zero. So it's 3 zeros left. And then here, $75,000 your value is worth from that 750 that you invested it in back in the day, or whenever you invested in today's prices. So 3 zeros, and then the market cap has to be around the 290 billion range. So that is pretty high, but anything can happen. So then let's keep going down the line. So here's the next price movement. Let's say it takes off another zero. So 2 zeros and the 7. With the same amount of Shiba that you invested in today's prices, and I even put the date here, September 5th, 2021. So we'll come back to this video in the future. But look at the value, $751,000. Now, little Timmy can get a lot with that. Now, we already got him SeaWorld. Maybe we'll think about getting a Magic Mountain in Orlando. But anyway, $751,000 is the value. 2 zeros. And then now the market caps now gets into the trillions. And this is just Shiba. This is just Shiba market cap. That means Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the bunch definitely need to step up as well. But anything can happen. I'm just saying. So let's see here. Now, this is probably what a lot of people are looking at and thinking, because we did a poll question earlier about how long would you hold your Shiba? And many people said, I'm going to wait till 1 cent. What does that look like if you have 100 million Shiba? So 100 million Shiba, and you invest into today's prices, 750 will get this amount, and you wait long enough in the future, down the line, you fight through all the FUD, you fight through all, the back and forth, the whales coming in, whales coming out. $1 million. $1 million. That's how much it'll be worth. That means you only have 1 zero that's left on the board, which is only 0.01. And the market cap does have to be around $3 trillion, actually over $3 trillion. So I do understand that. So let's keep going. Let's say, you know what? I'm going to continue holding because I see a future in Shiba past 1 cent. So let's say you kept your diamond hands and you look at 7 cents, $7 million. Now taking profit in here, I understand if you take profit here, I even understand if you take profit here. I understand that. Take some profit, you know, take your initial investment out of this and then maybe use it for other things. I get that. I think I would highly consider doing that myself. So, but in this actually comparison, let's say we just didn't do that for Shiba. Let's say we didn't do it. So that's 7 cents, 7 cents Shiba, and you have 100,000 Shiba, $7.5 million. Now, little Timmy, we're probably driving down the road. We're probably pointing at things that we're going to invest into. I want that building. I want that land. I want that bottle of water. So just kidding. But anyway, not really kidding. 7.5, we will be pointing at things like, okay, we want that. But anyway, and you can do that too as well, obviously. Depends on your goals. But 7.5 million is the value. Now it's still 1-0 because it's 7 cents. But the market cap, 27 trillion. Yes, that's what it has to be. So anything is possible. Anything is possible. And then look at this. 10 cents. 10 cents. $10 million with 102 million Shiba with a $750 investment today. If you wait and if it gets to that price, but look at the market cap, 39 trillion, but the value of your initial Shiba is $10 million. And then the last one here, I just did this one just to see the possibilities. What happens if you get to a certain price? I understand the market cap has to be extremely high, but the 102 million Shiba, $1, $102 million. Now, there's a lot we can do with that. Little Timmy, honestly, look, I look at little Timmy, I'm like, listen, we got $102 million. What do you want to do today? He might say, I want to start buying some countries. So anyway, he could say that. But no zeros on the board, and then the market cap definitely have to be 394 trillion, over that actually, for that to happen. So that's down the road. That's a lot of faith. That's a lot of movement. That's a lot of things that needs to happen in terms of to hit these prices. But the first price, let's look at this one right here. That's the first one. Let's look at that one. Let's start out, you know, very slow. 4 zeros, that can happen. 4 zeros in the 7342, that's 750, it's 7,500. When it happens there, it's okay to take off your initial investment, that 750 that you invested in, take that 750 out. You may want to take a little bit out, depends on some of your goals and depending on some of the things you want to do. And then from there, you know, let's just hodl. Let's just hodl, you know. So that's something to look for. So let me highlight this one here, because that's going to be a bridge mark. Let's look at that first, because we're close. We can get there. We can get there in the next few months, at least this price here. We can get there. And that is an investment, and that is some profit right there. So anyway, thank you for watching this entire video. I wanted to break this down, show you what's possible, what happens if 100 million Shiba, what would that turn into if it hits certain prices? And I was looking here, I'm like, Shiba's this price. And remember, Dogecoin was nothing and went all up to 75 cents, you know? Why can't Shiba do the same thing in the future? My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Captain in you is in service, delivering you the goods today, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, click on the links below, get your Webull account or get your actually eToro account set up and start investing to Shiba and other interesting stocks and assets today. Why not? We need to be building for the future every single day. Look at this chart here. I'll probably do an upcoming video that kind of like, you know, recap some of this in the future, and I'll see you on the next video.